Cordyceps mushrooms, scientifically known as Cordyceps sinensis, are a group of parasitic fungi that have a long history of traditional use in various Asian cultures, particularly in India and China. One of the many reputed benefits of Cordyceps mushrooms is their potential aphrodisiac properties. Here, we'll delve into the historical and cultural context of Cordyceps mushrooms as aphrodisiacs and explore some of the scientific insights behind these claims. Historical and cultural significance. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, Cordyceps mushrooms have been an integral part of traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. In TCM, they are believed to tonify the kidney and lung meridians, which are associated with sexual vitality and overall health. This has contributed to their reputation as an aphrodisiac. Ayurveda in India. In India, Cordyceps mushrooms are sometimes used in Ayurvedic medicine, an ancient healing system. In Ayurveda, they are considered to have rejuvenating properties and are used to enhance vitality, including sexual energy. Scientific insights. While the historical and cultural use of Cordyceps mushrooms as an aphrodisiac is well documented, scientific research on this specific aspect is relatively limited. However, there are some potential mechanisms through which Cordyceps might influence sexual health. Adaptogenic properties. Cordyceps mushrooms are classified as adaptogens, which means they may help the body adapt to stress and maintain overall balance. Reduced stress and increased vitality could indirectly contribute to improved sexual function. In conclusion, Cordyceps mushrooms have a rich history in traditional medicine systems in India and China, where they are believed to have aphrodisiac properties. As with any natural remedy, it's advisable to exercise caution and seek professional guidance before using Cordyceps for such purposes. Regenerate.